Good morning, you guys. It's kind of dark in here. Let's turn on the light so I can tell y'all what's going to go down. Bright. Super bright. Okay, so we about to go down and actually do our clean with me portion of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to this video because I don't think the other video is actually that long. I haven't edited it yet, but it shouldn't be that long. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the clean with me portion to the video. If the other video is already too long, then it's going to be two separate videos. And if that's the case, then hello, welcome to the video. It's your girl Royalty Roots. We're about to do a clean with me. I'm looking like I'm just waking up because I've been lounging all morning, and it's currently like 10:45, and I've been lounging all morning, but I'm finally getting up out of bed. I put on my workout stuff so I can get a little in while I clean up, and then we're going to hang out with friends. That's going to be in a separate video on my other channel. A get dressed with me and all of the above. But now that the house is empty, nobody's here but the mister, I can actually do some work. So I'm about to go and do this clean with me, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thumbs it up. We about to do the living room and the breakfast nook and also the kitchen. Okay, you guys, let's talk about these shelves and how I'm going to decorate them. Currently, the things that I'm going to place on them on this video today is just some pieces that I plan on adding to the shelves permanently, but of course I'm not styling it completely like I want it because I don't have all my pieces. Yeah, I know how it is when it comes to styling, and especially with shelves, you're not going to be able to find everything you want at one time. That's like a rare to find everything you want at one time when it comes to styling shelves. And plus I have 6 of them, so I know that's going to take a little time. So here are some little pieces that I have found over the last couple of months that I'm planning on adding to the shelves once I actually style them like I really want them. Yeah, so if you have watched some of my hauls, then you would have seen most of these things I'm placing on the shelf. Y'all, this shelf right here is so high, and trying to put this space up there, yeah, your girl had problems, literally problems. I wind up having to ask the mister to come and put it up because I don't want it to fall on nobody's head walking by. So, of course, the mister came and he pushed it back for enough for me. Thank God for tall people, right? But yeah, again, we're just placing the items on the shelf, and it's literally just temporary till I get everything I want to actually style and add to the shelf. So right here, you guys, I'm trying to decide on where I want to place the Lumonsa Jasmine's degree at. I put it right here, but the mister didn't like it right there. So you're going to see on another clip where I changed it and I moved the candle holders down and put it back on the opposite side because the mister said that the tree or the plants are hiding it.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming.
So the stuff I'm using, y'all, is Lysol spray, disinfectant spray to spray the couches down. And then you go see me wiping the tables and all that down. I'll be using some Lysol disinfectant cleaning wipes.
Crazy dreaming, you're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me, I feel alive. My world is faster and faster, the tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm in it.
See right here, I'm using the Lysol disinfectant wipes to wipe everything down. I have some wood cleaner, but I didn't feel like using it, so I just literally used the disinfectant wipes.